Welcome, it's a beautiful day in New England. A little humid and sticky, more than I like when I go running or walking in the woods and doing my workouts. But nature is so good for the mind, body, and soul. And here are 6 amazing benefits. 1. Fresh air has more oxygen, which is wonderful. 2. Greenscapes raise serotonin levels in your body. 3. Increases sensory stimulation. Helps with creativity and cognition, all that sort. 4. Lowers depression and anxiety levels in the body. Number 5. Increases feelings of overall well-being, especially with the sun. And 6. The sun increases levels of good-for-you vitamin D, which helps to optimize your hormone levels. But I don't know about you, but I love being out in nature. Whether it's hiking, running, biking, playing with my kids, just walking. Tell me about your favorite outdoor activities. I would love to know. May you all have a great day and get some vitamin D. Get out there and explore this beautiful earth. Have a great day.